Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh. Well, folks, today was the day I was kind of keep monitoring with Ocgn to see how we are doing it. Pre-market, we're kind of flat. Market opened up at $6.96. We kind of pulled back to the low a little bit around at 6.88, and then we rallied all the way to $7.29, and we fell to testing our WAP and 200-day moving average, and we had a pullback all the way down to the low of the day, actually, before the market closed at $6.78. After hours, we are up $6.85, right? Before I talk on the technical side, we know the earnings coming up on a couple days, and what are we looking? Well, folks, let's talk about the past earnings, right? Time and time, the green you'll see it's the beat and the mist, right? But look at it, how far we were off, right, compared to that. Once we even on the May 6th, when we see a huge spike down, forecast was 19, and forecast was 19, and we missed by 0.004, 0.2. Do I expect it to break out this time, right? Forecast is still sitting at minus 0.003. I am seeing this number in green, folks, not in red. We'll be seeing something in the positive sign during all these company, these in generated revenue they're getting and the deals with Mr. Bharat's companies. I'm excited. I'm excited what I'm seeing right now. Usually, if it was not looking a good sign, or if it was a hype, you'll see the stock price will always rally like 10 days to or 5 days prior to the earnings. We have been flat. I'm very confident that the earnings will be something to watch because we will have definitely a push for uptrend, right? I could be wrong. Not a final advisor. This is based on my opinion. You guys can quote me or wrong when I'm wrong. But this is what definitely I'm seeing it when seeing this kind of when a stock is usually a stable, not having any momentum, even coming to earnings, right? Let's talk about the shorts. Man, the shorts is 27.14%. Definitely the shorts are taking over the company. This is something that it kind of concerns me because we came to below a 26.68, even 25, and then we jump back again at 27.14. The shorts are taking over, right? They are pushing the price down, which is normal in the stock like that. But during the earnings, anything we can see is a flip. August 6th is the earnings. We know that it's on the pre-market, so we're definitely going to see a lot of momentum, right? You might see a momentum picking up tomorrow, not a whole lot, but we got to see some updated numbers comes out during this time. I'm confident that seeing and railing it up highs, even $8. So let's talk about when we had discussed on our 200-day moving average. You'll see sitting right and right, acting as a support, and we are approaching it. And the 200-day is unfortunately sitting at $6.26. Definitely nobody wants to see that. I don't want to see that. And we talked about this breakout pattern, right? We have this pattern right up here to see if we have the breakout. We came in, tested, came close to the breakout. We failed to do that. The good thing is that we are in the RSI is pretty neutral, right? You'll see on the RSI is pretty neutral right here. Nothing to worry. That is nothing to that's oversold or overbought territory. MACD is still showing signs of buyers stepping in, but not a whole lot, right? Volume predicts price. We are 12 million volume, which I'm not too happy about it. Love to see the earnings pushed up pretty high. But definitely there's something that we gotta keep an eye. Definitely got to keep an eye if you see some breakout, right? What I see personally is to break out the $7.75, right? You'll see time and time, right? It was acting as a support. I'm going to go all the way back, right? All the way back. It was acted as a support time and time. The $7.75, time acted as 75, and then we break out. Then he acted as a resistance. We had supported, and now he's acting as a acting as a support, and now is acting as a resistance right now. And do I see him breaking it out? I'm very confident that I could be wrong. Please quote me. I'm definitely wrong on that. I'll miss something. But I definitely see coming in, testing the highs of $77.75, even higher, and breaking it out on that. News on the vaccine approval, folks. Mask is back on. Like, people are required to have the mask on, even if you're vaccinated, right? Delta variant is no joke. It's not a joke, folks. We gotta be safe around here. So we definitely have to keep an eye during these pandemic times right now, and there's more need for vaccine, especially with Mr. Bharat's company joint venture. They are doing it with Ocgn, and I'm excited, right? Because there's a lot of need for that. Once you get approval, or we get some sort of update, like if you get some sort of update with the company during the earnings, or maybe they knew how many countries they're going to be delivering it, it will boost the price up, and fundamentally, right? Going to go back to quickly look at 6 months, right? You'll see on the 6 months we came close to test our 60-day right here, sitting at $6.99, got rejected, and then we came high of $7.37. That's the 200-day on the 6-month chart. You'll see right here we came close. Don't even came close and got rejected right off at the back. And something we got to definitely keep eye, because we are trading on the 6 months below our moving average. But that thing can flip, right? That thing can flip right off if we have very solid earnings coming through. And then we'll see some sort of breakout happens, right? Going back to 3 months, a 2-hour time frame, trading below our moving average, right? But $6.71 right now is something to $6.66 actually is acting as a support right now, which is kind of giving me some assurance that we are not dropping like crazy, like a couple dollars. It's just a sense, even we down at 3.69% for the day, that's 26 cents from the previous close, right? I love to see over $7 and hold over there, to give us a momentum, right? So I definitely see a lot of volume picking up tomorrow, a lot of stock prices going up and down and getting tested highs of $7.75 going into the pre-market on Friday, and even I can see testing even $8.89, which will be lovely, but we gotta see how the earnings come out, right? Overall, going back to the year to date, let's see if we have this breakout comes in, because based on the chart and the technical analysis part, definitely a breakout is about to happen. But the 200-day moving average is acting as a support. It can go either way based on the earnings, but my prediction is going to be good earnings for pushing the price of high of $7.75. And I'm going to do a recap video on that. If we did it, or if we don't, I'm going to call myself out if we didn't. If we did, great for you guys. I'm excited for you guys. If you don't, my apologies, right? But I definitely see it going, and it's going to crack it all the way to $7.75, even higher of $8.89. Well, folks, that's all I have. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, turn on the notification for the stocks you're interested. And if you're interested with OGCN, you get a notification video right off. And if you guys have any comments, please comment down below, or any suggestion or anything if I missed it. I'd love to hear you guys' thoughts on that. Thank you very much, and good luck on the earnings coming up and the rest of the trading days.